How to become an AI influencer, creating videos with AI and earning money from companies, from brands. Hear me out. So it is very easy these days to actually become an AI influencer with faceless content, which means you'll be the one creating all these AI videos, all these advert videos. A lot of people get so stuck and they don't know how to do these things. Hi, my name is Okobuchi. On social media, I teach how to monetize on social media platforms, how to work with AI, how to edit videos. Today, I'll be teaching you how you can actually become an AI influencer, make money, create videos with different brands. Now you can actually start as creating just videos for different brands for free, post it in on your page, and then attracting these brands to come in and ask for deals. Yes. And if you're creating this kind of videos, you don't need to mention any brand. You don't need to put any brand logo on any of your videos like I did with mine. You just need to create random videos like this. Now you don't need to show your face, but yes, again, you can actually create an avatar like you or an influencer like you, a lookalike influencer like you, and use this influencer to always create videos. You will be in these videos, like you appear in these videos, but it will be your influencer self, your influencer AI self. And again, you need to tell these brands that these videos are all generated with AI so they get to understand. Now, everything you see on my screen is actually generated with AI. Yes, all the videos are generated with AI and they make a lot of sense. Now, I earn too much money or much money from this video as well because I work with brands just by using AI. Let's go, let me teach you how to actually generate these videos. What I'll be doing for you today is I'll be teaching you how to prompt. It's a problem for everybody. I'll teach you how to prompt detailedly to be able to get this, which means you don't need to go to the shop to take videos, pictures, or anything to get all these things. You just need the brand to tell you what they want and how they want it to look like. And then you bring it to life for this brand and you earn as much money as you can. Okay? So let's go. Let me teach you how to prompt this from text to image to text to video and get it all right without any problems. Let's go into the.
So first you open your ChatGPT like this. Once you open your ChatGPT, the next thing you need to do is to drop your prompt. All these prompts, I'll be putting them in the description box, or in the description box there will be a link that will take you to my Telegram for you to copy all this prompt. Okay, now I'll paste this prompt. This with this particular prompt, I want us to do different brands so you get to understand it detailedly, because I don't want to rush you, or you don't need to do everything at once. Now this is what I'll put. Now you can see there a wooden a photograph of a large cardboard shipping box placed on a premium wooden floor in a minimal modern room. The box should be positioned in the center, captioned from front angle with a camera placed. This, I'll put you guys this prompt. Now with this particular prompt, you can actually change narratives. Okay, with this particular prompt you can put how can I say it? You can put any picture of your choice, any name of brand of your choice on this particular place. Let's just say I want to put in a brand like uploaded logo. Let's look for a logo, right? I'll go to randomly, I'll go to Google because I don't want to stress you all. So randomly we'll go to Google. First thing first, in Google, what brand do you want to use, right? Let's just say Nike, because of course. So we're using the Nike logo. I'll go for Nike logo. And mind you, sometimes AI tools used to not allow you use these logos, like the branded logos. So yeah, we'll just take one of these logos and do a trial, okay? So I'll click on this. What I do is I just place my finger on it. Place your finger and save this image. Okay, I saved that logo. Guys, I'm going through this because I want to teach you step by step. Now, I already saved that logo. After saving it, I'll come here and I'll click on the plus and I'll upload this logo. I'll upload this logo and I'll click add plus, like add photo. You click on add photo, that is it. Plus this particular prompt. Do not miss out this particular prompt. Then you click on generate, okay? I'll click on generate and I'll wait for it to generate. Okay, now why this is generating, after this generation I'll take you to go turn this into a video. But you need to understand that with this prompt you can switch it. Because I said Nike doesn't mean you have to use only Nike. So you can use Apple, you can use Adidas, you can use Louis Vuitton, you can use any brand of your choice. Okay, this is you being an influencer, which means you don't need to overdo the copy and paste. That is the prompt, guys. That is the prompt. You can just click and screenshot and or click and copy the prompt. Okay, now a lot of people will not give you this prompt. This is my personal prompt, and that's it. Please, if you've watched it now, don't forget to subscribe, do not forget to share, and do not forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool or the kind of videos you want me to teach you how to create. Now I'll wait for this to generate. It takes a minute. Okay, so we have our image ready. What do we need to do? I'll click on top of the image and I'll click on save. I save that. So you go to your favorite video tool that you like. I'll be using the Halo. So I'll click on it and it opens like this. Now you have image to video, you have text to video, and you have image generation. So at this point, I will be using the image to video because I already created my image. Now, if you're new here, you should log in on this app, register with your email, and get it done. Now, if you register with your email, sometimes with some people that might give you free coins, with some people they might not, depending on your location. I like using this tool because it's good and it's accurate and it understands the prompt. Now, I'll click on image to video. Once you click on image to video, please do not forget to log in with your email, okay? And remember your password. Now I'll click on upload. I'll click on upload and I'll click on album, and then I'll bring in my image. Now let's wait for this image to upload. We have this image here. What's the next thing? We have a different prompt for the video generation. Now this prompt is different, but again, I'll give it down in the description box, or you click the link in the comment section to be able to access the prompt, okay? So both prompts for image generation and for video generation, you'll get it in the link that is linked in the comment section or in my description box. Now I'll place this, I'll paste. Now this is a very, very long prompt, okay? This is a very long prompt, which I cannot read through to you guys and explain, but yes, I'll put it in the comment section. Now this actually says, begin with a fast cinematic zoom in towards a large closed cardboard box placed in a center of a clean, empty room with soft, and all that. Box feature a clearly visible logo printed. You all know we already have all that. Okay, now what happens here is the female model, 24 years old, skin beautiful, that you can actually change. If you want to change a dark skin model, you can change. I'm reading through because I want to tell you the things that you can change. Emerge holding the main product. So here it says holding the main product. I can change that. So main product, there you put it holding. So I'll put there holding the Nike sneakers, okay? So we'll put Nike sneakers, okay? Nike runner, I'll put the Nike runner, yeah. We'll put the Nike sneakers. Okay, I just put Nike sneakers with a confident and natural smile. This product logo and branding should be clearly visible, okay? As models step out the box, smile and says, welcome to the brand name. That's the brand name there. So welcome to Nike. Let's say welcome to Nike. Welcome to Nike. You put it in capital letters. So a lot of people will not give you these details, but I'm giving you. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Immediately after the multi-brand item began to emerge one by one from inside the box in smooth cinematic motion, such as element 1, element 2. So you can actually name your element here, okay? Nike sneakers 1, Nike cap. So let's say where we say such as Nike cap. So I'll say the Nike cap, okay? And then the other element, that is element 2, okay? So such as the Nike cap, you come here, Nike sneakers, you put that. You come here, element 3. I'm actually putting this for you guys to be able to understand, okay? So there you put Nike runners, Nike. Okay, just a minute. The prompt is actually very, very long. Nike high top. I'll use the high top. High top. Yeah, my space is limited because it's a very long prompt. So I'll just put Nike shoes. Let's just go for Nike shoes. Okay. Each element, now I'll put there, each element, smooth position item around the space. Now this is what you have. Okay. There's a lot to go on this prompt. But once I give it to you, please try as much as possible to read through the prompt and make sure you do your edit. Okay. Now here I'll put the Nike because of course it's the logo name. I'll still put Nike. Okay. Now once you do that, come here, you click on finish because I don't want to take most of your time. You click on finish and you click on generate. Where you see the 25, click there on generate and then you wait. Now this is one how they call it, this is one prompt everybody is looking for because like it's the perfect prompt for an influencer. You can influence any company, you can work with any brand with this. All you need to do is just one touch and one go, provided you know your prompt and you know how to prompt. It makes it so easy, like super easy. Okay, now we'll wait for this to generate and I'll show you how it works. I'll just wait. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Okay, so this is the outcome of the video. This is the first video I actually made. Like you all know, again, AI is not predictable. It actually has to do with your prompting. So you prompt, actually, I just mentioned a few pair of shoes right here. And again, in your prompt, what you need to mention is for these shoes to actually fill up the store, okay? You should be able to mention that these sneakers should actually fill up the store, which is a good thing. And yeah, I did this one and then there was this one. So you can see they have different ones, and at this point these shoes actually filled up this room. And here you have this other one. You see this was for the apple. You see how it looks. The boxes actually filled up everywhere and the model out of the box. So depending on what you're writing, like I said, I'll send you all the prompts and then you get to play around with your prompt. Choose what you want to be inside your prompt and what you don't want to be inside your prompt. Okay, you might just make this box appear and you hold it on your hand and then you unbox it, which is still possible. You can just say anything or anyhow you want your product to represent. So the end point here is to make sure your product represents the right way, right? Yeah. So if you're done doing this, you just click and download your videos.